Welcome to AutoCAD Essential Training Episode 3. Today our topic is AutoCAD Interface. Our previous topic was Introduction of AutoCAD. So let's see. This is the AutoCAD interface. So this is the pictorial representation, and I mark few interface with the arrow so that you can easily understand. From here I can start. This is the application menu, okay, and this bar is the quick access toolbar. We can access anything very quick, and those are the tab: home tab, insert tab, annotate tab, parametric tab, view tab. This is the ribbon, the white portion, and these are the tools, various tools: line, polyline, circle, arc. And these are the panel: draw panel, modify panel, annotation panel, and this is the partition, panel partition, okay. And this is the start tab. This is the we can start new drawing from here. And these are the view controls. This is the viewport control, view control, drawing file tab, visual style control. This is the drawing area. These are the grid, and this is the UCS icon. UCS means user coordinate system, and they are the we drawing in the model space. And these are the layout space. We can take the new layout from here. And this is the command line or command area. From here we can customize it, we can close it, okay. And then this is the status bar, and this is the customization toolbar. These are the full navigation wheel, pan, zoom, orbit, okay. This is the view cube. We can minimize, maximize, or close the drawing window, and we can close it. We can use this one to close whole file. This is the access help, stay connected. Various options are there, or interface are there. We can now see in real AutoCAD about the AutoCAD interface. So let's start. This is the starting interface of AutoCAD. If we start drawing, then we can get the full interface, okay. So we know that this is the application menu, okay. So if we click here, then we can get few options also: new, open, save as, okay. So from new you can open the new file, and this is the open. That means you can open the previous file also from here. Save, you can save the file, and save as, okay. If you want to save as, in click here drawing, then this is the you can write the file name, okay, and file type you can choose. So this is the 2018 file type, okay. If you want to save in previous version like 13, 10, 7, you can save it, okay. Suppose someone is using 2007, okay. So if you want to send the AutoCAD file, then you need to change the file types to 2007. Otherwise he or she cannot open that file, because this is the future file, update version, okay. So cancel it. Then import. You can import in various other formats. So see, 3D Studio, that means 3ds Max format, ACIS, CATIA, IGS format. If you want to analysis, then this is the very important format. Inventor format, JT, Metafile, MicroStation, NX, Parasolid, PDF files, Pro Engineering, then Rhino, SolidWorks, Step, DZN, various format you can import. And there is also export, okay, other formats. So we can see the export format: DWF, DWFX, sat.stl, .dwz, .dzn, .iges for analysis. Okay, then we can go for publish. From here there are few important option. Also, if you want to email your AutoCAD file, then you can use this option. E-transmit, create a package of drawing files and their dependencies. So if you want to send a file, if it includes picture also, then you can easily send it using e-transmit. Then if you want to print a drawing, you can follow these options from here also. Then drawing utilities, if you hover drawing utilities, you will get few options: drawing properties, TWZ comparison, unit, audit, status, parse, recover. These kinds of very valuable option. And if you want to close this, then you can easily click it. You can click current drawing also, all drawing also. Okay, then exit. If you want exit, you can fully exit this software also. Click option, you will get few options to control your software. First one is files. There are very kinds of files. You can, if you want, you can change it or add it. Display option, so there are two themes, maybe dark and light. We are using now dark theme. If you want to go on light, and go to light, apply. Okay, you get the light color thing. No, we will not go for light, apply. This is the dark. Okay, if you want to take the scrolling option here, you can check box this one. Okay, and apply. You can change the display color also. Click here colors, and you can change the color also. Okay, if you want to white, then no need, do black. Okay, or apply and close. Then open and save. You can go, you can change any other option. Crosshair size, if you want, you can change. Open and save. There, save as. Okay, if you want to 2007 version, save option you can set here. You can set the automatic save, minutes between save. Within 10 minutes it will save automatically. If you set here to within 2 minutes, it will save automatically. Okay, file open, 9 number of recently used file it will open. You can increase or decrease this number also. Plot and publish. If you have printer, you can select your default printer here. My PC is not connected with any printer, that's why I selected Microsoft Print to PDF. It will create only PDF. Then default file location you can set here also. And there are many options. If you want, you can use system. Here are few options also. User preference, if you insert anything, then you can change the unit also, source unit, targeted unit also. Right click customization, mouse button right click customization, click here and you can customize according to your choice. Then drafting, from here you can set also auto snap, marker size you can increase or decrease. Aperture size you can increase or decrease also. Here is drafting tooltip settings, many other thing here also. 3D, if you want to do any 3D drawing, then you need to modify a few option from here. You can modify also. Then this is the selection. Okay, peak box size you can increase or decrease. Grip size you can increase or decrease. Any other option you can use from here. Here is also profile. Okay, then we can cancel it now. Okay. Then after that you will find the quick access toolbar. Here you can see the quick access toolbar. So that means we can access anything very quickly. So this is the, if you want to print something, we need to go here, application menu, then click then click print, click plot. This is very lengthy. This is the quick click. If you want, you can click just plot. That will open. Otherwise it will be very lengthy to click. Okay, if you want more command here in quick access toolbar, click here. And if you want to add properties, click here, properties will add. If you don't want properties, then you can uncheck this one. Okay, and this is the menu option. You can click here to expand, minimize tab, panel button. You can minimize. And this is the tab: home tab, insert tab, annotate tab, parametric tab, view tab, manage tab, output tab. These are the tabs. Okay, in every tabs you can get few tools within the panel. So in this panel is the separation mark of draw panel. You will find the toolbar, and these are the tools: line tools, polyline, circle for the draw toolbar. And if you click it, then others command, draw command will be open, or draw toolbar will be open. Otherwise, very important toolbar will you can see. And if you want more draw tools, then click here and you can find this. And also similarly, this is the modify tools. If you want to modify any drawing, you can use this. If you draw any drawing, then you can use this. If you write any text or set any annotation or dimension, you can make any table, you can use this panel. If you want to make layer in different color with different name, then you can use this panel. If you want to create the block, delete or edit the block, you can use this panel. If you want to know the property or change the property, change the line weight, change the line type, then you can use this property also. This is the group panel. This is the utility panel. You can find here measure and other thing, measure, distance, radius. These are the main concern. And if you want to if you go to insert tab, then you can find also few command. We will not cover every command, we will just cover the very important commands. Annotate here. If you click here, then you can get more option. And if you click this arrow, text style, then you can get a dialog box. From here you can change the properties of text. Okay, height, also style, you can change the font also, very many other thing you can change and set as your current. And here also dimension. If you want to change the dimension property, then you can click also this arrow and you will get the dimension tool, dimension style manager. Then you can modify, you can get the you can make the new one also. Okay, and another is parametric view. We can use from here view of few options. This is the manage, output, add-ins, collaborate, compress, featured app. You can use if you want. Okay, then you can go here, you can find here you can find here many option. Okay, so minimize, maximize, you can minimize and maximize your viewport. This is the drawing area, we can draw anything within this area. And this is the UCS icon. UCS stands for user coordinate system. Okay, and okay, I missed something maybe. There is line tool. Okay, if I hover in line tool, then it will I can see the suggestion. This is called tooltip. Okay, if I just hover in line, then we can see line suggestion about line. If anyone don't know about the command, then you can easily hover it and can get the knowledge about that. Okay, circle, line, polyline, about the rectangle also. Okay, now you can come to the command line. You can say it command bar or command line, anything. Okay, so what is the function of command bar? Suppose if you want to draw something, suppose if you want to draw a line, so click the line. After click the line, you can see in the command bar it's commanding you that specify first point. Okay, you can specify the first point, click, then specify next point, it's commanding you. So specify next point, click here. If you want to undo it, then click here for undo, click undo, this is the undo. Okay, then click again anywhere for the next point. Okay, if you want to finish it, click the exit. So this is the main function of command line. Okay, and after that, this is the model space we are drawing here, and this is the layout space. We can set our drawing here also. Okay, and this is the another layout. Suppose we are trying to make a floor plan. So in layout 1 we can set full floor plan. In layout 2 we can set only the kitchen plan. And if we want to create a new layer, click here, new layer. In layout 3 we can set suppose master bed. In this sequence we can set in another layout. And this is the status bar. In status bar we can see the coordinate also, then snap, grid mode, ortho, polar, snap mode we can see here also. We can see here unit mode. If we want to switch our workspace, then we will click the workspace switching. Okay, we are working in drafting and illustration tools workspace. If we want to draw any 3D drawing, then we can switch in 3D modeling. Okay, so here you can find the customization. Click the customization. Here is the unit. If you don't want that unit will be here, then uncheck the unit. There is no unit. If we want, then check the units you can get. Okay, now here full navigation wheel you can find. Okay, then you can find here also pan. Pan means moves the view planner to the screen. Okay, suppose we make a circle, then if we want to move this drawing, then we can use the pan. Click the pan and you will get this hand, and click the left mouse button and you can move your drawing from anywhere. Okay, then here is also few option. Zoom, click here, you can get few zoom option: zoom window, zoom previous, real time, zoom all. Suppose we cannot find this drawing, so how can I get this drawing? Click the zoom and click the zoom all. You can get this drawing easily if you zoom it extremely. And this is the orbit. If you draw anything in 3D space, if you want to rotate this drawing, then you need to use the orbit command. Now no need. Okay, and this is the view cube. If you want to see view various view, top, front, right, then you can use it. And also it is better if you use it in 3D. In case of 2D you don't need to use this view cube. Okay, then here is view option. Type a keyword, you can search anything here. If you want to sign in Autodesk, you can use it. Okay, that's all for today. Our next topic will cover, or our next episode will cover saving the document, template making, unit, line, circle, and so on. Please do hit the like button in this video if you really like it. Subscribe my channel CAD Knowledge, and if you subscribed already, then do recommend my channel to your friends who are really interested to learn AutoCAD. Thank you so much for your time. May God bless you all.